Obia in the morning and voodoo in the night. Obia in the morning and voodoo in the night. If she don't walk, she obia. She don't feel alright. She money obia. Waka obia. Obia in the morning and voodoo in the night. Obia in the morning and voodoo in the night. If she don't walk, she obia, she don't feel alright. If she don't walk, she obia, she don't feel alright. Obia in the morning and voodoo in the night. Obia in the morning and voodoo in the night. If she don't walk, she obia, she don't feel alright. She want it obia, obia. She want it obia, obia. She want it obia.
Hey! All the boss, come on. Going and put them in the pot. I'm going and put them in the pot. I'm going and put them in the pot. I'm going and put them in the pot. Pick up the tabakit, boy. Buna, love how you going, mama. This song is for you, girl.
I know me hope you're walking the feel of your ego. Obia in the morning and voodoo in the
There's all and come again and the one, the big one that must play twice. This is the just
Obia in
flip on
the
the side,
morning
man.
and voodoo in the night.
Spread it for them. Spread it for them.
Obia in the morning and voodoo
And I want
in the
many of them to know
If she don't walk, she
that in the political parties and them
she don't feel alright.
that fighting in Trinidad and Tobago,
She want the obia.
the Obia go tell all you.
Obia.
We go see.
Obia in the morning and voodoo in the night.
Well, let's spread this with the rock bulletin.
Morning and voodoo in the night.
Cuba,
If she
I'm
don't
cutting
walk,
out.
she obia, she don't feel alright. If
I'm
she
cutting
don't
out
walk,
for
she
them.
obia, she don't feel alright. Obia in the morning and voodoo in the
I'm cutting out for
night.
them Trinidad and Tobago.
Obia in the morning and voodoo in the night. If she don't walk, she obia, she don't feel alright. She want the obia, waka obia. She want the obia, to waka obia. She want the obia, to waka obia.
Hey! Lekatu Jombi! Lekatu Jombi! Mother con hoxa papa nizan, them hat a pat down to me boy. Lekatu Jombi look this how
Give him this.
I go and jam all you. I go and jam all you, brother. Spread it, God. Spread it all over. Spread it. Lekatu Jombi. Lekatu Jombi. Lekatu Jombi or Leketu. I come and call you. Tobago, I go and light all you. Waka Obia. Tobago, only shit snake bite. The woman from Tobago with the big belly. You see her come by. Hey. Mother con hook up papa nizan. When see about Waka, that Lekatu Jombi, that shit snake. I come for them and Henry White. Moses from Grandy. Spread this with the rock bulletin for them. You know why? They can't take it from Trinidad and Tobago. None of them are willing to death.
Obia in the morning and voodoo in the night. Obia in the morning and voodoo in the night. If she don't walk, she obia, she don't feel alright. She want it obia, waka obia. She want it obia, to waka obia. She want it obia, waka obia.
Hey! I'm coming to them. Spread it. Now I want to ask you that question. What do people them think about PEP? About Philip Edward Alexander? I want you to tell me what they think about he. Diana in the house. Spread it, rock bulletin. Spread it like wildfire. Spread it like a rat. Rock and come in.
No, it's pressure to be there.
No. Let me tell you something you're trying to do. I come for them. No, it's not two things I want to talk about. It's not two things I want to talk about Trinidad and Tobago. Yeah, but come and talk about. I'm going and put them in the pot. I'm going and put them in the pot. I'm going to put them in the pot. I'm going to put them in the pot.
Take the underwear and burn it with camphor. Jam it with the voodoo and the strong obia. You know the obia walking, looking, send him love, man. Then she going in the cemetery to visit the graveyard. Obia in the morning and voodoo in the night. Obia in the morning and voodoo in the night. If she don't,
I don't know money again, yo. Money finished.
Alright, she want the obia, waka obia. She want the obia, waka obia. She want the obia.
Tobago. Right. I come in tonight to tell you something. That is this is the land of politics tricks. All Trinidad and Tobago know is bacchanal and politics. Yellow, red, and a neck shit snakes. Now I just saying, I want to ask all you, what all you are afraid to comment anything this man does trip off. Yeah, well, it has nothing to do with trip. Comment where you comment, you're getting answer, and how you're getting answer, Tara. What all you think about PEP, Philip Edward Alexander? Now tonight I want to talk to he. All you go and spread this video for him and tell him, Wakaman, I want to ask him a few questions, a few facts. You understand? I want to see you. Right? I want to ask you a few questions, a few facts. The facts I want to ask you, Mr. Philip Edward Alexander, is that when I call you and I tell you X by Y, before we are so good and good. Now you wanted me to come back and to rock on your side. I know that. But in general now, God put it in a way. The Obi and the natural mystic put it in a way. And never come. Daniel Jackson is a good fella. Through he, I just give you a blind. No, me coming to cuss you, me coming to condemn you. I wishing you best. I love whatever, all the love. But I come to ask you questions. Just like how you could call up Rowley and ask Rowley question. And you could call up this one and ask them question and ask answers. I want answers from you. When I give you the information, you're going and you call Stack. Where's Stack there? You and Stack all along in drain. So who ain't know the drain had to clean? It have a million drain had to clean, I could go and film. It have a million drain, I could go and clean what I have to film. No PEP, all you in for a run. Because it has some people that supported all you. When time for it to come out and vote, and time to come out and support, they wouldn't come out. They would have done tell me. Right? No, I just asking question. I come in smart. Because I know it's a critic here. I know it's a fakes. People who are willing to come live and debate. I willing to go live and debate. I just asking the question. How come when I give you the information about the heads and every proof, the voice note, phone call, every single thing with the big heads on them, you back off. You back off. Don't just sit down behind a phone, brother, and talk shit. You respect, love, and we didn't give your life for the right thing, brother. You understand? Crystal Boudram, let me tell you something. If you know your cat ranking and something wrong to you, go and cut a line in 3. Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit, and bless that dead cat you have. Go and soak it in some rum, puncheon rum. Where Sunshine wanted to soak my punch, soak this in puncheon. Soak it in some rum or some honey, and wipe it out, and the rank will come out. Because you understand what's going on with you. You is a waste of time. You is a shit snake, fake pussy. That way it is. That way all it is. So Crystal Boudram, go by Rishi Ram, and all you join Boudram and Rishi Ram and see where 106 and 103 go fucking help all you. Because they were all you coming from. That what all you planning to do. Because I come to fuck up 103. And I come to fuck up 106. And I come to fuck up PNM. I come to fuck up Rowley and the bald fucking Obia. Because everybody watching and what they could see, Rowley had the whole country Bazodi are talking about Rowley brave and bold, winding up on a 17-year-old. Things now start at it what they say. She go be the whining queen in the Balize. So wine, Dr. Rowley. Everybody see how you wine on the young lady. Things now start that is what they say. She go be the whining queen in the Balize. Things now start, it go done. She go be the whining queen for the election. You disrespect Kamla legging, but easy when he was studying, two of them was moving at a pace, but Rowling neck was moving more than he waist. Two of them was moving at a pace, but Rowling neck was moving more than he waist. So wine, Dr. Rowley. Everybody see how you wine on the young lady. Things now start, that is what they say. She go be the whining queen in the Balize. Things now start, it got done. She go be the whining queen for the election. And Bazodi was the name of the band you're winding up with. You feel I don't know all about all you. You feel I don't know all about all you. What they're supposed to do, Mr. Philip Edward Alexander, when if they do get in power and anything happen, because me, I want no part. Because the same people in Trinidad and Tobago that you will come and sacrifice for and you will dead for is the same people going and deny you. People in Trinidad and Tobago two-tongued. Their mind corrupted. So I want no part of this government. And none part of Trinidad and Tobago. Even though if Trinidad and Tobago ball, waka man for the country, I will help the country and jump up and put somebody to run it. I don't want no part of fame, power and them shit, boy. That is why I come up here to talk about Madam Kamla, talk about Rowley, talk about Vasan Bakiat and Tim Gopisang. Right? Vasan Bakiat. You that shit snake. I will beat you. I will beat you till you turn into a dog. That cat, Vasan Bakiat, Tim Gopisang, all of these waist that on your big long shit snake. Eh? Your big long shit snake. You're like a crook stick. Your head like a bicycle saddle. That way you is. Shit snake. Malin Mac Subway. I beat you with the Obi until I take on the McDonald's and turn it to Subway. I know your husband and where you go be if it's Mac KFC. After that shit snake and none of them can come around me. No, let her touch the obia or let her run. Because don't tell you like a two zombie, a jamming Rowley with back pain, a jamming him with sickness, a jam Gary Griffith. You, Mr. Philip Edward Alexander, you want to stand up behind your Facebook and come here and by hey, Jai Makali mix with the blood of Jesus Christ by. With direct day, with the Muslim day. With old man Muslim day. I hear him. Philip Edward Alexander, you can sit down behind and say back Gary Griffith by you and all two is a fraud. It is so. If it's so, right? In every community supposed to have a lot of land or an acre land planting. I don't talk about that 2 years and something. I keep coming and telling all that. You like you sitting down and you only and drink your coffee and after that bullshit you're coming up with. That's why a Gary Griffith jam you and tell you, poor he, want to stay behind Facebook and fix TNT. Poor he, ha, and he shit you up and you endorsing it because you're a lick bottom. You want to lick Kamla bottom. You want to lick Kamla bottom, Philip Edward Alexander. That's what you want to do. But the people in Trinidad and Tobago, they didn't like my motive because I don't give a damn about politics. I don't give a damn about TNT because where it is the people at Trinidad and Tobago to blame. I never vote for PNM. I never vote for UNC. I never voted in my life. I swear to Jesus, Mother Kali, Lord Shiva, and all the gods Ogun, and even the devil too. I never vote for them fuckers them by Harry Paltap. Harry Paltap. From Harry Paltap, you turn to Harry Three Plumes. You is not Paltap again. Not Trip. You know you have matches called tap safety matches? You could remember a long time ago, tap safety matches. You know, Harry Paltap, I got to learn to Harry Three Plumes. Yeah, that shit snake, Colin Paltap, waste of time, drunk caca holes. Now tonight, the topic tonight, husbands that drinking rum and destroying their relationship. That is what I comment tonight. So spread the video for Asha Samaru for me now. Love a girl, Asha Samaru. Pretty woman, Asha Samaru. I want to see a video of the baby pool again. Let me see I love pretty woman. And me, I had to dream over you. And me, I had to loss over you. My ex-wife, watch how she is to look. And that my ex-wife, that I pass through. I live with that a year. I build that all how in the house, all different corner. I give she a child. So whosoever they with she, or they get thing where I pass through. Amen to that. I come to talk about husbands. Husbands that drinking and throwing away all their life, throwing away all their marriage life. No, we have a certain husband that I had a bacchanal when we called the police trying to help the family. The husband doing so. You know what he doing in Trinidad and Tobago? He drink rum and gone to meet a woman. Now Trinidad and Tobago, I want to tell you something. When I was going through my problem, Now Ria, you do the girl called Joanna. You do she Obia and she gets stroke. You do the girl Obia and she fall down and hit she hip and lose some baby or something. But the Obia what you do for Joanna, she gets stroke and whatever happened to she, it couldn't touch me, girl. It make me walk the street for a while, girl. Them Obia where you team up with all the artists and them. Nasty 106. Shit snake, nasty station. Don't support them. Don't support 103. Or let's lock off the radio station. Call them and tell them they're nasty. Or let's test them now. Call them and ask them for my song. Why they moving so with me? And they not know. Or they never ever hear about me. Because of the nasty heads them Trinidad and Tobago. And the world. Because the world them sitting down behind there. Some of them only keyboard warriors. Some of them go put their money where their mouth is. But some of the foreigners them go only talk. When the time reach where you see all them know where to vote. Philip Edward Alexander, that's why you know that now, brother. And that's why you know that. That you're backing shit. You're backing, oh Bolagari. Take this on Waka. It's because you're nasty, I got jam you with Obia. That song coming out soon. Soon it coming out. Happy hour over. You have some days to go. I trust in God. I want the world to know that people only talking and it make me understand. When Ian come and tell me you're a bisexual man or Bolagari, take this some waka, it's because you're nasty. I got jam you with Obia. Come around fucking me now. Yeah, when the man tell you, if Obia in your mother can't tell a bullet behind him and you have a duck, me have no gun, so let you come around me. Or let her take the fucking jamming, or run like a two jumpy. He is a puppet, boy. He is a puppet. I keep telling all you. Well, let me tell you what I'm going to talk about. Fathers that drinking and destroying the relationship. I went through it. I drink rum, beat, do this, fight, hit my girl, child, this one, fight, bacchanal, in-laws, all about. And when you don't drink the rum, your whole life gone along the drain, Trinidad and Tobago. Your whole life gone along the drain. I don't like them things, Trinidad and Tobago, and that is what licking up certain things. Right? That is what licking up certain things. Rum, the nasty rum. Every village, every person, anywhere you turn, rum they selling. Rum in your rukum kutum drink. But when the fucking flood there, you see fucking Angasura sponsoring nothing. When all the flood and all the everything happening in Trinidad and Tobago, where is fucking Stag? Where is Stag? No, I don't give a damn about nobody, boy. I just cuss, I that cuss, bud. Because the whole country turning Bullaman. The whole country turning Bullaman. So I don't give a damn about nobody. All I want to back Bullaman and back a man kissing a man and back legalizing Bullaman, and I can't cuss, legalize cussing too. Cussing nothing wrong to it. I don't give a damn about nobody Trinidad and Tobago. Where is Stag? Where is Johnny Walker? Where is White Oak? When natural disasters in Trinidad? Philip Edward Alexander, when you're coming in power, if you do get through and you get a vote and you have a say, I'm giving you some ideas, bro, because I don't want no part of that. And I don't want no friend from you, although I still like you. I will give you ideas, bro. That you have to go to them companies that selling wee things and making all the money, like KFC. Stop support them. Stop support them. What this whole country? This whole country get wood. Now Sunday I have my own feeding. I cooking food for the people. And thanks to who? Thanks to God, boy. As that fake people that are out there. As that shit snakes that are out there. Because you know why? I read people by. They all to themselves by. Everybody, men going to be lovers of themselves. Lovers of pleasure than lovers of God. Children going to hate children. Children going to hate their parents, I mean. And children will be making children. It happening. No, but when I come and talk, I wrong. When I come and talk, I ignorant. When I come and talk, I wrong. I don't give a damn about nobody. Back to the topic again. Stop the drinking. That breaking up your life, husbands. When you drink the rum and you go home and you want to run down woman, because let me tell you what, that is the whole problem and the blight. As you go to run down an outside woman, you're going to have problem. The man hit the fucking car too. Going to look for the outside woman. When he done hit the car now and he reach home, he's at a fight his daughter. Because his daughter no telling you you're horny mommy. He wrong. But let me tell you, I, the man, will send out the message and tell the family here what. Give him a chance. How much chance you gonna give him? I say, wait, he is human being. He wrong. Give him a chance. Don't talk to him. Give him a hard time. Everybody lock him off. Give him a silent. Let you see where he went wrong with the wrong. It is not he naturally do that. They say, you know, you're correct. No, be careful when you're a spiritual leader and you're playing this or you want to do it. Be careful how you advise people because the upholder is worse than the thief. Now our next man that say, come and do a goat press. Come and do a hog puja. Nasty Baba Steve. One time, permit me press. $20,000 hog puja. Pocket all your money and all like caca whole begging still. And run all our work and not happening. All that to come by me to help all you. All that to come by me to help all you. Priya win chip, both case. Baba Steve, my Obia walking by. Majala and everybody, Asha. My Obia real walking down. Natural mistake that blow through the air. Priya win she 2 case. They dismiss it the second time. Priya are happy because the jerseys you bring for me, Priya, the jerseys that you give me for Chutney Monarch, Priya, you come with your pity and a pray on you. You tell me you do a permission prayer by that nasty Baba Steve. You're going to buy 3 AC fan, the police come and take it out and lock you up. The chandelier, he boasting, he living on a turntable. Going up every day and trying to make up lies upon lies. Nothing true. I jam in with the truth because me don't have time to make up that. I can make up real things and do it, but it don't make sense. God watching. That's why I will always overcome you. Always overcome you. Because why? Bad mind people, boy. Bad mind people. Because I give him it, boy. Let me tell you something. Two times Ian Allen come by me. The first time he come, you know when he come by me? Is when Baba Steve shoot up the place. When Baba Steve shoot up the place, he come. And he said, what man, what happened to you, boy? He come to clear himself. When I said, be jamming him with Sharon's auto. And jamming him because he tell me personally, what man, I was going to give a comment for you, and I know Sharon Steve, your van, and thinking, he and play a line now. Play a line, like you see a tongue twist up and you can't talk in that TV station. Play a line. And see if your tongue twist upside down and you can't talk on that TV station. We go see who are the power in Trinidad and Tobago, boy. We go see who blessed with the power. Right? So here I'm trying to tell you, Mr. Ian Allen, you come twice by me. The first time you come, when you come to clear yourself. What command I were going on. When I tell you about Baba Steve and I explain what and when and why, next day, you see Baba Steve on your program advertising. Arjun X by Y. He send money on your program and lie. And you take the bait. No, I keep jamming to all you. Because when you take the bait, you realize, wait, boy, that's why you do, boy. I shouldn't do what I'm not in the way. I gonna take that bait, boy. Thing. When you take the bait now 25,000 to 20,000. That's take. He take the money from Stacey Ramrup. And Saran, before he lost his work, he collect $10,000 for she. I want to hear. But when they see, he come and Das take that money. After that, jam Das. Now Das have a brother called Das. And he go and find out an old warrant. Where I was to go to court with a woman with me and she picking flowers with the neighbor called, I forget she named, 2 hours after me. I went to pick flowers outside and she said, don't pick them flowers to them gods evil. And I cussed where she asked. Right? And I didn't go to court. And they find a warrant. And Ian Allen as a nasty man. He know me. He know what the warrant is for. With Bullaman Punisher. Bullaman Punisher. I hear in here. I come in for all by looking for all of their files by the whole head man. All the police that rock with Ian Allen. All of them know all of their head by. I sell out, I talk. Everything, all the information that people bring in for all you, and all the policemen wrong you, I tell all the high-ranking cops that by. All the high-ranking cops, I tell them everything all they're doing. All the fraud police, they're watching all you. They have a drone. They have a drone driving around. It's like how they jam Saddam Hussein. It's the same way they go jam all you. It's the same way they go jam you. ASP Smith is a alleged talk on the street. Mr. C. Passad. They framed the man. Because you know why? Shit couldn't go on with it. Drugs can't pass out. Gun can't thief. Drugs can't go back to the block. And you know what's going on in Trinidad and Tobago? I'm jamming him. Because I know what I tell them all about. I keep showing all of but no. All you go ahead and follow this with blind caca holes now. Go and follow all who want money. Follow all who want power. Follow all who are. And they will never dead for it. Because when I call him, And I give him all the information and tell him X by Y and so about Rowley and this one, and I give him it and all the information I give him. He pat off by Mr. Philip Edward Alexander, and you talking about TNT and to fix, and you backing Bullaman Gary? You backing that shit snake and saying you want to join with Kamala? Eh? No, I want to ask people what all they think about PEP. What all they think. Just now you're going to see, when I trip off and I figure out what's going on and I find out somebody and I get what I have to get and I know what I have to do, we're going to see what party coming out. We're going to see voice of the voiceless. Voice of the voiceless, boy. They come around me now. I'm only watching them now. No. Food Sunday people are feeding people. Sleep and death is brothers. When you're dead, no religion, never tell your life after death. If any religion, or if anybody could tell me what religion is God, nasty Christians. God is not no Christian, boy. That's why they say, if everybody could be a real Hindu, it have a Christian left. Mahatma Gandhi by word some he by. The Gandhi's family by. God have no language and no religion by. He is not no Christian, Muslim, nothing. If God was that, it'll have a canal. And none of them religion could tell your life after that. So them thing was man-made thing. Alexander, it is alleged, with all the gun in the ambulance. All the gun in the ambulance. They are talking about that. All the information he have about Ian Allen, he going and jam Ian Allen. All the information he gain, but all way they doing and all the fraud and the police and all way they doing with drugs and this one and they rocking with that badge and all this one and all the bandit they rocking with. He know. He know. Just like how Rowley, Kamala, Ian Allen, Alexander, all the police, Gary, all of them know the children in the container. Because it's $1 billion investment. You know how much a lungs and a heart and an eye? Them hoes and them. Not only drugs and gun them container have by. Not only drugs and guns by. They have women, they have children. 12 years old to 18 years old is big money for them thing. Hundreds of thousands of dollars Trinidad and Tobago. So check how much money they're making. Check how much money they're making Trinidad and Tobago. How Rowley Obiaka hit me Trinidad. Rowley Obia hitting Philip Edward Alexander. Rowley Obia hitting Ragu. This one Obia hitting that one. And the Lekatu Jumbi by. Fuck the Lekatu Jumbi by. I will lick the Jumbi too down every fucking thing. I coming in them other country. The cuss bud coming. Go and watch if you take out South Park. South Park with the cussing children them. Watch the original version. And all they go see the boy who was cussing, he saved the world. The boy who was cussing, he saved, he shocked everything. He shocked all the demons them. Right? So I want to get a song. See I got a song here.
Chutney beat and a mic in my hand. I come to lead the youths and them out of destruction because you are.
Hear my songs I just sing. I gotta use nobody's song.
I have a good chutney beat and a mic in my hand. I come to lead the youths and them out of destruction because you are my brother and you are my sister. Let's come together and support each other because you are my brother and you are my sister. Let's
radio
come
station
together and support each other. Forget all the violence and forget all the crime and jump, wave and dance up and have a good time. So you are my brother and you are my sister. Let's come together and support each other.
तुम्ही हो
much drugs in the city, too much guns in the town. That is why people only shooting people down. So pump up this beat and put your mind on the chutney. And come on everybody and let we dance in unity.
Bolo!
And you are my sister. Let's come together and support each other.
They like to want that nastiness. Radio station, I will jam all you. Go support them. Go support MLB. Go support them Chutney. Go go in the party. Pass them. Tell them they're nasty. Let it change when they do that. So let it change the way you're doing that.
लेके तैयारी
बहुत झगड़ा और बंदों के गन भाई
और तैयारी आओ भाई बहनों मौज करो अब प्रेम से रहो अरे आओ भाई बहनों
legendary sambo drum भाई politician are we going mad man in Max Subway I've been asking all you
I will help my brother, I will help my sister. A slice of the cake I will give to the beggar. And I know for sure what will be because I pray for God to bless the whole and their family. So you are my brother and you are my sister. Let's come together and support each other. Forget all the violence and forget all the crime. And jump, wave and dance up and have a good time. So you are my brother and you are my sister.
Nasty.
Let's come together and support each other.
I don't want no friend from them. I'm glad. I want them to call the radio. Let them know.
This is the Komodo Lion. Go ahead.
Let them know they're nasty. Right up. Walk. Other artists who going fight down.
And this is Bakaman and Sambo Drum.
Let's see how nasty it is. You're too wicked.
No man, this is Bakaman. We're studio production. And you see this here?
Yeah.
No man, this is Bakaman. We're studio production.
And you
you
see this here?
Yes,
Yeah, boss.
spiritual father tell me to go and sing a song for Mr. Cree. Hear the song about Mr. Cree. There you go. My spiritual father telling me for I to make this industry, I have to sing for Mr. Cree. So I sing this song, so listen to me. I want you wine when I sing for Cree. Jump when I sing for Cree. Wave when I sing for Cree. Jam when I sing for Cree. Even Kamla and Mr. Rowley, them and all dance when I sing for Cree. So I bounce on the ground when I sing for Cree. Jump all around when I sing for Cree. Shout hey when I sing for Cree. Shout oi when I sing for Cree.
All them come on, spread the video when I sing for free. All them press text yes and text go back when I sing for free.
Show wave down in south. The people and them start to jump and shout. Some of them keep telling me they like the song that I sing for free. So you wine when I sing for free. Jump when I sing for free. Wave when I sing for free. Jam when I sing for free. The West Indies they just play the sea. The critical they get to play for free. So you bounce on the ground when I sing for free. Jump all around when I sing for free. Shout hey when I sing for free. Shout oi when I sing for free.
Which one of them could do what I could do? They could only try to jealous me, boy, and hold me down. Pay the radio, then not to play my song. That's what they do with me, boy. Pay to keep me down, pay to kill me, but I'm jamming all you.
I pass and I sing in my arrow. The people and them jump and wine down low. The crowds and them scream with all their might. They want me to sing for free whole night. When you wine, when I sing for free. Jump, when I sing for free. Wave, when I sing for free. Jam, when I sing for free. The media know how to play the part. With this song they supposed to start for you. Bounce on the ground when I sing for free. Jump all around when I sing for free. Shout hey, when I sing for free. Shout boy, when I sing for free. Hey.
That's what they like. That's what they like. Correct. For free. Ravi B and them. Yeah, why they go with them?
I must say big up to Ricky Jai because he go in more till he die. Big up to Hunter and Ravi B because all of them just sing for free. So when you wine, when I sing for free. Jump, when I sing for free. Wave, when I sing for free. Jam, when I sing for free. Ken and Sally keep telling me he join with me to sing for free. So when you bounce on the ground when I sing for free. Jump on
Ken and Sally? Kenneth Alex sing this song. You know what song Kenneth Alex sing? He sing a song called Robin Eye. Wakaman gone, you know. Wakaman sing. Body Wakaman sing. Go stop your work, cause it's beautiful. Body Wakaman sing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Girl, you're looking so wonderful. You know to yourself you're beautiful. This one goes to connect the girls like fiber optic around the world. The way how you walk, baby. The way how you talk, lady. You captivate and you blow my mind. The way how you talk and shake your behind, girl wine. Girl wine. Girl wine down low. Buck up your waistline wine. Girl wine. Girl wine down low. Balance on it, girl wine. Girl wine. Girl wine down low. With all your friends them wine. Girl wine. Girl wine down low. So raise your problem, girl. I want to see your wine down low. Girl, I want to see your touch your toe. Girl, I really love how you wine in the bar. And then you come and wine inside of my car. You wine all about and you reach in my house. Just like Tom, how he chases the mouse. Twist it, spin it like a twister. Shake it like the with your phone like this. Girl, wine. Girl, wine. Girl, wine down low. Buck out your waistline wine. Girl, wine. Girl, wine down low. Balance on it. Girl, wine. Girl, wine. Girl, wine down low. With all your friends them wine. Girl, wine. Girl, wine down low. So where your problem? For all those sexy girls, I sing this for you. Those pretty girls. Sing it out now. For all those sexy girls, I sing this for you. For all those pretty girls,
Heaven Boy on the track.
girl wine down low. Buck out your waistline wine. Girl wine down low. Balance on it, girl wine down low. With all your friends them wine. Girl wine down low. So raise your problem. Scream my name when you bend down low. Scream my name when you bend down low. Scream my name when you bend down low. Make sure that you take it slow. Girl, scream my name when you bend down low. Scream my name when you bend down low. Scream my name when you bend down low. Make sure that
Heaven
you
Boy
take
on the
it slow.
track.
Girl wine down low. But then catch up me right. That'll come good, bro. That'll come good. Which part had it on you? Super gay.
KT song.
Now go on now. Last song. Hear the song. Early in the morning, late in the night. With the love young that the girl them will fight. Early in the morning, late in the night. With the love young that the girl them will fight. And the wheel, walk on him calling. The love young that the girl them wanting. And the wheel, walk on him calling. The love young that the girl them wanting. And the wheel, walk on him calling. The love young that the girl them wanting. And the wheel, walk on him calling. With the love young that the girl them wanting. Me say no bad on me better, I got love youngster. At the sun me better, I got love youngster. Up and down on the bed, I got love youngster. Back shot on the bed, I got love youngster. A bad on me better, I got love youngster. At the sun the bed, I got love youngster. Up and down on the bed, I got love youngster. Back shot on the bed, I got love youngster. Money and girls, no war and no crime. Only with the chicks them I want to lime. Drink up me rum and have a good time. People keep your distance, don't cross my line. We have sweet Douglas in the corner. If you see she walking up, she bumper. And go see it that's strapped down in the back. She winding so fast, giving man a heart attack. Me think about on me better, I got love youngster. On me better, I got love youngster. On the better, I got love youngster. Back shot on the better, I got love youngster. The wheel, walk on him calling. The love youngster, the girl them wanting. And the wheel, walk on him calling. With the love youngster, the girl them wanting. Me think about on me better, I got love youngster. On me better, I got love youngster. Up and down on the better, I got love youngster. Back shot on the better, I got love youngster. Up and down the better, I got love youngster. Up and down the better, I got. And I roll vocals, eh? let don't know. Because if a man come on, topic I come on here tonight is for husband. Stop drink. You want to tell them? Tell them, man. You know. I'm telling everybody, husband think. I beg him do something, don't take no drink. You're mashing up your family life. I'm telling you something, but you have to think twice. So stop drinking the rum, that is evil. Stop drinking the rum, then you do your evil. Mr. Stop drinking the rum, people watching. Mr. Stop drinking the rum, your children beating. Mr. Stop drinking the rum, husband please. Stop drinking the rum, listen to me. Stop drinking the rum and save your family and save a little some of your money, because this is what I'm gonna send a message. This is a song with privilege. I'm telling you something on Facebook. Like a man have just what it took, because I don't know that I don't know. Big up to the coconut man. Ken go be sing for my arrow. Ken go be sing, Ken go be sing, Ken go be sing. Big up there for my arrow. Love all y'all. Let done know. Blessing, right? Bye bye. Later.